The Look Good, Feel Better offers skincare and cosmetics workshops to people with cancer to help them feel more confident. Their president, Sue Larkin, joins us along with one of the volunteers, Chris Piuni. Thanks so much for coming in. This is such a great program. I kind of know a little bit about it because some of our makeup artists here at work have volunteered with this.
Absolutely. So we offer workshops to help manage the appearance-related impact of cancer treatment. So change in skin tone, loss of hair, loss of brows, and it's not a makeover. It's about learning how to use makeup to help look like yourself again. So when you look in the mirror, you see yourself. You don't see the cancer patient. As well as really important skincare. The skin can be really impacted during treatment, and by taking care of your skin, using sunscreen, moisturizing properly, you can help minimize the impact of treatment. But more than that, it's about creating community and connection.
Yes. Yeah. Because Chris, you see it with you work at Wellwood.
Yes, Wellwood on the West Mountain.
Yes, on Hamilton's West Mountain. And when you see clients come in, it's not just like they're there, for some makeup tips, cosmetics tips, but it gets to be so much more than that. They get talking to each other, right?
They do. A lot of ladies come in, they have no idea what they're getting into. They really don't. Why am I here? Because somebody told them to get here. And when they leave, it's completely different. There's smiles, there's hugs, there's interaction. You know, what's side effect did you have? How did you handle it? And it really works. It's giving that social interaction with other women so that they know they're not by themselves.
And it's free.
It is free. Yeah, we are completely funded by donations, and so for the participants coming to the workshop, there's no cost for the workshop itself, and they also have a beautiful kit to take home filled with skincare products and cosmetics that Chris and the volunteers use in the workshop so they can help practice during the workshop, but then they get to take this beautiful kit home, and again, it's all donated as well.
And I love that the idea here, as you say, Chris, it's not a makeover. It's not like here's what you should look like kind of thing.
No,
it's like,
no.
Do you need this? Do you want to just take some time for yourself and not your treatment?
That's right. And one of the first questions we ask after our introduction is, what specific issue do you want to deal with today? And 9 times out of 10, it's eyebrows.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they're the big deal
loss.
right now.
Yeah.
And so we spend a lot of time putting eyebrows on and telling them that they're not symmetrical. No face is symmetrical. They're twins. They're not. They're sisters, not twins. Right.
Yes.
That's the line. I have another a volunteer who used to say, one's male, one's female. One will cooperate, the other one won't. You figure it out.
There you go. I love that. And the workshops themselves, like, do you have them regularly? Like, are they a regular schedule? Do you come once, or do you keep coming?
Well, they register, and ours are usually the 3rd Monday of every month, unless there's a holiday or something in there, and then we have to move it either forward or backward. And they're encouraged to re-sign because we give them so much information all at once. They don't get it all, and I said, you can come back. You just bring your kit with you, but you have to register again, so we know you're coming and we have a spot for you. Yeah.
And then we also have online. We've got online programs as well. So in person, we talk a lot about skincare, cosmetics, and hair loss. And then online as well, we offer those same topics, but we also have workshops. We have one on advanced skincare, post-treatment nutrition, breast forms for those who are going through breast treatment. And we also have a workshop online for teens and also for men, where we talk about skincare and shaving during treatment. So those are all online, and people are encouraged to go in person and then follow up online, or for some people, traveling might be a bit of a challenge. Paying for parking can be a challenge, childcare, and so the online offers that opportunity as well.
And you're not just in Hamilton, you're all over the place in Canada.
We are across the country. We're in about 80 hospitals and cancer centers in Canada, and we're actually part of a global family. So there's Look Good, Feel Better in the US, UK, Australia, and we all work together to create programs and learn from each other. But I think all 27 countries would say the same thing, and the heart really is the volunteers that are delivering, because they are the heart and soul of the program, and that's what allows us to do 80 workshops or 80 sites across the country. Last year we did 795 workshops, and that's because we've got incredible volunteers like Chris.
And you're always looking for more volunteers. We're running out of time, but we want to get the information out there. We'll have all the links if you'd like to help out, or if you'd like help, on our website at chch.com/morninglive.